Just under a week ago, we were all shocked and saddened to learn of the devastating fire at the Pattaya floating market. As you can see from this TikTok, the fire was so widespread that everybody thought the attraction was gone for good. I'm happy to report that Thai authorities have done an extensive inspection and determined that 70% of the attraction can be reopened. In a recent post on their Facebook page, the Pattaya floating market had this to say. Remember, this is translated from Thai, so I'll paraphrase. We reopened after the catastrophe. Thank you, fellow travelers from all over the world. Thank you to the shop operators who stand beside us. Thank you, Allied Tour Company. Thank you to all the press, all the agencies. Thank you to the kind adults that I can't name them all. Today we are back and we hold our hands tightly to move forward. The statement was accompanied by these photos of opening day. As you can see, they were able to consolidate much of the merchandise in their gift shops, the spa, their restaurants, and the floating market concept. They celebrated the reopening with a Buddhist blessing ceremony and special performances by musical guest performers.